The Galaxy S25 Edge is an exciting new entry in the Galaxy S series, sparking plenty of discussion. With various leaks and speculations making the rounds, here's a summary of the latest details and rumors. When it comes to hardware, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to have similarities with the rest of the lineup. However, instead of the full-fledged 8-core Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, it may come with a 7-core version of the same SoC. Storage options of 128GB or 512GB, coupled with 8GB of RAM. A possible 512GB plus 12GB variant in development. A battery capacity estimated between 3,900 mAh and 4,000 mAh. A 6.7-inch AMOLED Infinity O screen, likely offering a resolution of approximately 1080 by 2400, though specifics on brightness and refresh rate remain uncertain. One UI 7, incorporating the latest Galaxy AI innovations. 7 years of software updates. One of the more intriguing aspects of the Galaxy S25 Edge could be its camera setup. Early leaks suggest it might feature a 200-megapixel primary camera along with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This model stands out for being incredibly thin. After presenting the usual Galaxy S25 models, the Base, Plus, and Ultra, Samsung ended the event with this unexpected reveal. Previously rumored to be called the Galaxy S25 Slim, the Edge lives up to the hype. At the demo booth, Samsung highlighted how thin the S25 Edge is by displaying it alongside mock Galaxy S devices. While they haven't shared the exact dimensions yet, likely because the design isn't final, the phone's slimness is its standout feature. Rumors suggest the Galaxy S25 Edge could be just 6.4mm thick, making it thinner than any rigid phone so far, even thinner than the Galaxy Z Flip 6 when unfolded. It's also said to have a dual camera setup, including a 200-megapixel main camera and either a 50-megapixel or 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Samsung's message is clear. The Galaxy S25 Edge brings a whole new level of sleekness to the lineup. A reliable source suggests that the Galaxy S25 Edge, or its final name, might launch in 39 markets, but the United States is noticeably missing from the list. While this information isn't fully confirmed and should be taken with caution, it hints that the Galaxy S25 Edge might not just face a delay until May. It might never release in the US. The phone's sleek and stylish design has been the subject of many rumors, building excitement. However, it seems not everyone waiting for it will get a chance to try it out. Here's the list of countries and regions where the Galaxy S25 Edge or Special Edition is expected to launch. Afghanistan, Australia, Austria, Brazil, Caucasus, Croatia, Egypt, France, India, Iraq, Ireland, Israel, Kazakhstan, Kenya, Malaysia, Mexico, Morocco, Nigeria, Pakistan, Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Senegal, Serbia, Montenegro, Singapore, Slovenia, South Africa, Sri Lanka, Switzerland, Thailand, Tunisia, Turkey, UAE, United Kingdom, Uzbekistan, and Vietnam. During Unpack 2025, the company showcased the prototype, but recent updates have raised concerns about its battery and charging capabilities. According to @YabishekD, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to feature a 3,900 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charging. This information reportedly comes from the C certification website, lending credibility to the claim. Speculation about the battery capacity has circulated widely, and this latest report aligns with earlier rumors. If accurate, the Galaxy S25 Edge would lag behind the standard Galaxy S25, which offers a slightly larger 4,000 mAh battery. The S25 Edge is also rumored to include the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, an overclocked version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite. This chipset is expected to deliver significant improvements over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy used in the S24 Ultra. Samsung has unveiled the Galaxy S25 Edge, an ultra-thin phone previously rumored as the S25 Slim. Measuring just 6.4mm thick, it's significantly slimmer than the S25 Ultra's 8.2mm profile. The phone features a sleek design but has a noticeable camera bump. It's rumored to include 2 rear cameras, a 200-megapixel main, and an ultra-wide lens, while skipping the telephoto zoom found on other S25 models. The 6.7-inch display may debut Samsung's tandem OLED technology, contributing to its slim design. Pricing is expected to fall between $999 and $1,299, likely under $1,200. Stay tuned for more updates. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Slim could measure between 6mm and 7mm in thickness, making it the thinnest Samsung flagship to date. This would surpass even the Galaxy S25 set to launch next month in terms of sleekness. For comparison, the Galaxy S25 is rumored to have a 7.2 millimeters thickness, slightly slimmer than the 7.6 millimeters of the Galaxy S24. The fourth edition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, was recently teased in a leaked promotional material. The Galaxy S25 Slim has been the subject of a few rumors suggesting it may launch later in the year compared to the other three S25 devices. A recent report, supported by details from Samsung's latest One UI 7 beta, reinforces this speculation. The beta includes a list of US carrier-specific Samsung phone models, but notably, the Galaxy S25 Slim's model number is absent. Earlier reports hinted at a Q2 release window, April to June, for the S25 Slim, aligning with the information uncovered in the One UI 7 beta. Rumored specifications for the Galaxy S25 Slim include a 6.66-inch display, a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera offering 3.5x optical zoom. It is also expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and a battery capacity ranging from 4,700 mAh to 5,000 mAh. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.